This is my homework. Unit 1, Part 3, Short Conversations. Questions 1 through 3 refer to the following conversation. Ow! My tooth really hurts. Mary, you had a toothache for over a week. You should go to the dentist. Why don't you make an appointment? I can't. I tried, but he's on vacation until Thursday. I'll have to wait 2 more days. Well, I guess you have no choice then. But be sure to call first thing Thursday. Questions 4 through 6 refer to the following conversation. Mr. Thomas, look at the chart on the wall. Now, could you read the last line for me? Yes, it looks like A, F, R, P, Q, M, and S. Very good. Now, how about the second line? What can you see? It says T, S, M, Z, and K. That's perfect. Your eyesight is excellent. You don't need glasses at all. Come for another checkup in 12 months' time. Part 4, Short Talks. Questions 1 through 3 refer to the following talk. A lot of people think that being an animal doctor is very easy, but it is not. First, the training is very difficult. A person has to learn the same basic medical information as a doctor for people. Then, a person has to learn about how different animals have their organs in different places. Human organs are in the same position in on people. However, a dog's heart is in a different location than cat's heart. Animal doctors need to know that. Also, animal doctors need to be good at understanding animals. Animals cannot talk and tell you what is wrong, so you have to learn how to understand without words. I think that this is the most important quality. Questions 4 through 6 refer to the following talk. Last Saturday, I injured my ankle playing basketball. One of the players from the other team bumped into me and I fell down. When I fell, my ankle twisted. It was very painful immediately. When I woke up, it was very swollen and a little red. So I went to the hospital. The doctor gave me some pain relieving tablets and told me to take 2 tablets a day and rub my ankle tightly with a bandage for 1 week. He said it was not a serious injury and that I would be just fine. He told me not to do any exercise for 3 weeks. I have to rest my ankle so it can heal more quickly. I'm really looking forward to getting back to the basketball court. Unit 2, Part 3, Short Conversations. Questions 1 through 3 refer to the following conversation. Next semester will be difficult. I didn't get accepted for the course I wanted. I didn't even get my second choice. I wanted to study a language, but instead I was taking geology. That's too bad. Why do you think that geology is so difficult? You might be really good at it. Maybe you enjoy it. Well, I'm not interested in learning about rocks and minerals. Besides, I'm not good at scientific subjects. Questions 4 through 6 refer to the following conversation. I have to decide whether to take Spanish or German on Tuesday mornings. Spanish sounds romantic, doesn't it? But you enrolled for German, haven't you? It would be fun to study together. Well, Spanish class meets on Thursday mornings, not Tuesdays. That's why I'm taking German. Oh, well, I guess I'll be taking German too then. I can only study on Tuesdays. Part 4, Short Talks. Questions 1 through 3 refer to the following talk. I'm not really a good student. I don't often get high grades. I don't usually like studying in school, but there are a couple of subjects I enjoy. My two favorite subjects in school are chemistry and art. I like chemistry because it is the logical part of my brain. I can work for hours trying to find the answer to a complex chemistry problem. You might be thinking that sounds like math, but it's more interesting than mathematics because then I can go to the chemistry lab and do experiments. It is exciting to see what happens when I do an experiment. On the other hand, I like art because I can be creative. I can express my feelings with a paintbrush. Both art and chemistry let me express different parts of myself. Questions 4 through 6 refer to the following talk. My exams today were so difficult. I had 3 exams. In the morning, I had the French exam. French is really difficult for me, especially French spelling. I can never remember if I need an extra E at the end of words, and that kind of thing. Then after lunch, I had a history exam. I couldn't remember any of the days that I studied before the exam. History is the most difficult subject because I find it boring. Finally, in the afternoon, I had a math exam. It was difficult, but math is my favorite subject, so I think I did pretty well on the exam. I'm good at math and I usually get high grades, so I'm sure I get a good score. Last semester, I got the best grade in my class. Finish.